Nicpro sent me this mechanical pencil, which I absolutely love. My husband's a carpenter and these are a lifesaver. So this one comes with a case right there, and here's what the pencil looks like, and it also has a pencil sharpener, which I thought was really cool. And then you just click it just like a normal pencil sharpener. This lead is thick and beautiful. So this line that I have right here is from their other one that is 1.3 millimeter, and I wanted to show you the thickness difference because this one is 2.8 and this one is 1.3. So in this one, I'll make a line right next to it. So you can kind of see the, that one's wobbly. You can kind of see the thickness difference in this one. I did go over this one like 3 or 4 times with a thinner one. And then this one also comes with a carrying case, and it has a whole bunch of extra graphite and colored leads. My husband likes to use these for different lighter colored woods because sometimes the darker colored woods, because the graphite doesn't always show up on all the darker woods. So having these really helps. These are like they're kind of waxy, like a colored pencil slash crayon, but they don't wipe off and they're kind of waterproof. Here is what those look like right here. This is a really high quality set, and my husband absolutely loves these pencils and uses them every day. I think my favorite part of this is that it is bright green, so if I walk in, I will be able to find this one no problem.